Want to know how to farm incredible gems fast in Dragon Ball Z Dokkan battle? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how I can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first, you need to use the quest area 2328. So on quest 2328, Fit will slow down on Z, Hard or Super should be chosen. This stage simply drops tons of gems, especially when fighting by laugh or launch, so don't skip these side paths. Use units with high drop rate boosts like LR and support items such as Treasure Radar and combine that with boost stamina for double loot as well. Then trade those same gems in Baba shop for key items or characters. Simply stay consistent and you will stack thousands of gems in just a few hours. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.